In this example, we are working with a timeline set to 1080 resolution. Firstly, if we had a 720 clip, because it is a smaller resolution, it won't take up the full frame. To make it appear bigger in the frame, you can use the scale option to increase the size as required, but a simpler way is to right-click and select the scale to frame size option, which will scale it up to the correct size automatically. This also works if you add a larger 4K clip to a 1080 timeline and want to scale the size down. With older square resolution footage, or portrait footage, for example from a phone, the classic broadcast technique is to make a copy of the clip and place it on the video channel underneath, and then with that clip, scale it up until it fills the full frame. Then add a blur effect, such as a Gaussian blur, at a strength of around 50, so the image becomes heavily blurred. Make sure the repeat edge pixels option is selected, as this will ensure there's no cropping in on the blurred image. With portrait footage, another option is to add 3 clips at once, position 1 in the centre and 2 either side, so that the entire frame becomes filled with footage.